Today, Mike is fabricating a tool to help him remove some suspension bushings.
For this part of it, just visualize this being in the control arm. Say my fingers are the control arm I'm shoving it out of. Then you crank this down. This will lay against that side of the control arm. So it'll push this out. And then for pushing the new one in, control arm is here, goes back that way. So that'll lay against the back side of the control arm and push it in. Since everything's so friggin' tight, I molded a slot in it, so this is stuffed down in there and won't just fall out. I can jam a screwdriver in here. Should be able to pry on it enough to get it out. Failing that, I can drill some holes in the top plate and drift it out.
And you've made 2 different sizes now, so you're going to have a collection.
Well, as I'm a little behind schedule, but pretty soon I'll be that guy that has just a bunch of weird one-off tools hanging on a wall pegboard.